Here we are going to show you how to remove the radio navigation CD player from Lexus IS250 2014, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool, and then size 10mm socket, plus just the standard Phillips screwdriver. The first step, you pop the panel on the side of the center console, and then you put it toward yourself. Basically just slide it out once you pop it, and then you do the same thing on the driver's side. You pop it first and then you slide it toward yourself. You can put these on the side. Now you can remove this the covers on the side. It has 3 screws. It's a Phillips, and you remove this side panel also, and you do the same thing. These are the clips which are holding it, and you do the same thing for the driver's side after you remove the 3 screws. Now you can pop out this cup holder in the center console. It does not have any screws. You just need to put that dashboard removal tool on the sides and just pry it out. And then it has only one connector which you need to disconnect. And these are the connectors which are holding the cup holder assembly. Now it's time to remove the center console cover for the next to the shifter out. There is only one Phillips screw which you need to take it out. It's right here. Once you get this Phillips screw out, and then you can remove the center console piece. In order to do that, you need to put the car in the neutral. So you start the engine, you put the car in the neutral position, and then you shut off the car. And now for the shifter, in order to remove the shifter knob, you need to pull down the shifter dust cover. Just pull it down. It doesn't have to be rotated, just put it down, and then you can counterclockwise you can take the shifter knob out. Now you can pop up the center console cover. And now you unplug the connectors. There's only 3 connectors. You can put it on the side. And in the last step, you need to remove the 4 mounting screws, actually the size 10mm bolt, 2 on each side. Once you get those 4 bolts out, then you can pull the whole radio, receiver, navigation unit out. And these are the connectors, as you can see on the back of the unit. And you can disconnect to get it out. And if you need any repair for this radio navigation unit or the CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.